Hello dear fellow, I will dedicate this tutorial to the most important things and shortcut that everyone who uses Procreate should know, especially beginners. The first thing is that from here you can adjust the size of the brush, but from here you can reduce or increase the color of the brush. And the second most important and indispensable that is that you can stop for 2 seconds after drawing any shape. Procreate will modify and improve the font. You can do this process with any shape you want. There are also many options that you can use it. One of the most important things is undo process. You can summarize the topic with 2 fingers. You will undo and you can click with the 3 to redo that things you undo. Again, 2 fingers to undo and 3 fingers to redo the undo. If you draw a circle and wait a little while, as I told you, that application modified it but found that it was not as you like it, you can make it perfect with just the push of the finger. You can change the sharp from here like you want. Undo. And one of the most important tools is alpha lock. You can lock the sharp and draw on it without change general shape. And the Gaussian blur is important thing. It can be very useful for drawing shadows in fairies. Let's not forget the layers are very important. You can merge 2 layers or a lot. You can easily undo it. If you want to transfer this layer, you can do that so easily. And you can back and go to any picture, go to layer and add it. That is very easily. You can go to sharp and do it. The moon change into the sun. Go the layer, alpha lock again. You can change the sun to the eclipse. That's right. From a general page, you can delete, duplicate, or share. Okay, let's duplicate this. And you can delete it. From here you can add or select or duplicate that you selected and delete or share, and you can make a group like this, and you can add text to write anything. You can do that from keyboard, or you can do that with Apple Pencil. Right. You can change the text or edit. Select the all text and you can change the font. The font type can be changed. And this tool is very important. Drawing guide, edit drawing guide. You can use these tools to draw here and here. Anything you draw in the left is draw in the right. With the same size. This is very useful tool for drawing, especially make a mandala. And you can play all you think, draw it in screen like a video. And you can export it. And exactly you can delete it for more space. Procreate is very fun for drawing and designer. I hope this tutorial was very useful. Don't forget to follow, like and share. Oops! Sorry, I forgot something. You can also copy any color you want. Use your finger. Use your finger, huh? Not Apple Pencil. Okay, my friend. Bye.